Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Here's I think a neat little graphic that anybody could draw, and you maybe learn a few tricks of the trade. So we'll just get that out of the way. What we're going to do, we're going to take a rectangle. Doesn't have to be very long, but we want it to be something easy in math, so we're going to make it, with our ratio lock, we're going to make it 1 inch thick. And then I'm going to take an ellipse and make the ellipse 1 inch thick, or 1 inch big. I'm going to hit P and put both of them in the center of the page, and then I'm going to hit L, and that put it to the left of the page, because this is the shape we want. I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool and delete those lines so I just have that. Now it's pretty short, so I'm just going to use that. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, and I'm going to fill in that shape. Now I can move it. I can move this out of the way. And I got 2 copies there because I was doing that. Now I'm going to left click, right click. And this is where you can make it your own. But Control D and make a duplicate, and then get the 4-sided cross and kind of make that shape of an arch right there. Now I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool again and fill in that shape. And then this is where you can decide whether you want it shorter or bigger. You know, that's pretty good size. And we want to Control D and make a duplicate, and then holding down the control button, we want it where they don't quite touch, and then go Control D, as many times as you want. Now, if we group this together with object, group, and group, let's make it, I like that blue. And then we're going to use the interactive fill tool to kind of make it like disappear, and we put black in this end. Whoop, I missed it. You have to hit it right on that box. And then you can make your slide bar. I'm going to add actually a little bit more blue, like midway, so it's a little bit different. Now, if you remember, we used a 1 inch circle kind of to make that curve, so we're going to draw another 1 inch circle. And this might be easier to do if before you fill them in, because we want to contour that same shape. Or you could, even if you get close, get the 4-sided cross and kind of get it where it's on that edge all the way around. Because we're going to use that to center. Now we can Control D and duplicate it, double click on, or just click on the X and get the rotation. And if you have Snap to Object on, it'll snap to the center. And your Snap to is right there, and I got Snap to Object on. Now I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. I might have already done that. And then I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. And then Control D. Then reach in here and grab out the circle. And it's always going to look better, to me anyway, because it kind of, with the black box, kind of like it's going behind and infinity and into infinity. Anyway, neat little project. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.